kes me oleme?
Me oleme Veeliku rolleripedel.
Oleme.
Rolleripedel.
Ja kellega meil tülid on?
4-3 nirkidega.
Normaalne. Mitu inimeste gängis on?
8, üle 8.
Kes meil on nüüd?
Mina, sina, kaameramees Germo,
Grete, Remi, Joonas, Listra
ja
Mati. Klaasi tänavalt tulime tagasi kodumaja kõrval.
Both wrists froze like Aspen. Fly shit and I ain't never crashing. I'm out just swaggin'. Yeah, bitch, I'm out just swaggin'. Yeah, bitch, I'm out just swaggin'. I'm out just shipping outside. Time work, money make a penny by the hour. Every 16 that I try by the 1,000. Network keeping all these bad hoes browsing. Wowzers, kush we be serving couldn't be loud. Touchdown, you know I to the house. Got the game sold. I done came with flows on flows. Got these horses on my clothes, so you know them hoes chose. I be making your bitch send the nakeds to my phone. I be gone. You could keep that pussy, baby girl. I need some love. Got my pants sagged, and I hit the club lights, camera action. I'm out just swag. Black cars back to back smash.
Täna on hea päev.
Mis päev täna on?
Joogipäev.
Ja mitmes täna on?
Täna on 13 või?
Täna on 13 ja täna on öösõit.
13 laupäev.
Joo, Remi. Ja täna, mis kell on? Kell on 1. Me oleme kõige varajasemad vennad siin garaažide ees, eks ole. Nii vara ei ole keegi olnud mitte kuskil siin garaažide ees.
Joonas mängis kella 4-ni Minecrafti muidu.
Täiesti võtsid, kui sa magad. Istume siin Krissi juures, sest kõik on nii väsinud. Listra sööb poole suhkrutassiga kohvi. Siin on mingi viiner. Igastahes ettevalmistused öösõiduks.
And on toes, coat and sleeping bags. I come to know the friends around. Always have smoke in my lungs. Already get cold stone, careless and young. Free as the birds that fly. Careless and young.
Tõmbus türa kraadi all ühe näpsuga ka pidurivad. Aga täna striidiga oli ka.
People come from far, far, far away to find their dreams, chasing down these meteors and comets called dreams in the sky of life. There's certain hot spots where these meteors and stars have tendency to fall. A legend has it that California is one of those spots. I believe that to be true. They say this is the place stars are born. They say this is the place, hey, legends are made. They say this is the place where angels congregate, yeah. And they say to whisper in your ear and tell you you're a star, 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 still a star. You keep on shining. Pretty girls by the ocean side, stars that refuse to shine. Places on your mind. California knows how to party indeed. In the city of LA, they say the angels come get. In the city of Compton, all over the world shining so bright. In the city. Good old Watts, beat don't stop, beat don't stop. In the city, California, don't stop, all the way from LA to baby, stars fall down here.
Together, like we were something more. And it felt like maybe we could last forever. But you led them to our hideout, forced the way inside. Now they want us to surrender. But I could go all night, right here between their crossfire. We'll send them up a message. I send a message. We'll say give it up, give it up. We've got no
tulge valgusest ära! Vend paneb suitsu põlema praegu. Rolleri pealt.
Mingi veel.
As if he knew how I was feeling inside. He sings the blues now with the clothes on my door. The smell of blood I'm spitting on the floor. Is the moon he has? Does he read my mind? Does he long to taste the flesh that will be left behind?
Minu videopostitus. Võib-olla üks, võib-olla kaks.
Kasutatud kassid.
Kui no me siin Kevin Lihtriga Stop! Nii, fast reporting.
Jah.
Kes on teie sponsor?
Join the pod.
Öösõit on teie sponsor. Kas te lähete tänasele suurkogunemisele öösõit ja sõbrad?
Jah.
Sõit sõpradega.
Ja kes on kõige parem selle korraldaja?
Minivent.
Mina. Okei, Mini Magnus.
Mini Magnus on kõige parem
Meid toetavad Saint Barts, Naraku, Kris Garage. Kõik
Rockstar, kus Rockstar jäi? Kus Rockstar?
Rockstar, no kõik asjad, no Yamaha, Aprilia.
Kool on teie grupp.
Kuidas?
Kool on teie grupp.
Koos Madis. Nagu Big Master.
Big Master Design.
Ja mina toetan kõige rohkem. Tšau!